Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to link two worksheet or two workbook in a way that if I update anything in one worksheet, it will also update it in second one. Okay, so in this video I will show you only one method using cell address. Okay, so this method will work in whether you are using Microsoft 365 or not. So first way is here you will see using cell address. So what you have to do, uh, first to go to using cell address, then here you have to click on equals to. Okay, then again go to invoice, and here I want to enter the customer name. Okay, it is customer name, and then click enter. Okay, now copy it to the 4 or 5 6. Okay, then again I want to add here this payment receipt date. Okay, so now equals to, then what you have to do, click here and then enter, press enter. Now copy the formula. Okay, now here you will see it is not in the date. Okay, here I this is in the date, but this is not in the date. So how to fix it? Now you have to just select this, and then here you will see general option, click on here general, and then sort date. Okay, so like this you can fix it. Now I'm going to update here. Okay, now I'm going to enter current date. Now we will see whether it is updated here or not. Okay, so here you will see it is updated. Okay, now I'm going to update again in here. Okay, current date, and then it is updated here also. So like this you can auto update in automatically update in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel.